Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at the key influencer visual which has become available with the latest release of Power BI, which is release version February 2019. So let me just show you the Power BI visual. This is the Power BI visual I'm going to talk about. It's called the key influencer visual. And this is the first time that a visual has AI capabilities or uses machine learning. And you can enable this if you are using the 2019 version. Go to File, Options and Settings, and then go to Options. And then you go to Preview Features and you enable this Key Influencer visual. And once you enable the Key Influencer visual, you will have to restart the Power BI desktop. And I've got a couple of data sets, but for the purpose of this video, we will just use this wine quality red, which I've already imported. And I've got this from the UCI machine learning repository. So I will leave a link to this in the video notes. So if you want to download the dataset and play, you can play. And I will also leave a link to the key influencer visualization in Power BI in the video notes so you can read more about it. So what I have done is I've already imported the data for wine quality red, and I will just show it to you. So it shows the acidity, citric acid, chlorides, density, pH, sulfates, alcohol level, and you can see that it shows the quality. So what we want to do is analyze quality and say which factor or which other column influences the wine quality the most. So we will use this visual for that. And one thing you need to do is you need to convert. So all of these values are actually numbers. And what I've done is I've gone into the modeling tab and converted all of them into text fields because measures and aggregate fields cannot be used in this visual at the moment, at least. So what I will say is that I want to see the quality. So analyze quality and analyze it on explained by all the other fields. So it's saying that there's not enough data when quality is 3. So let me change the quality to 8. So let's see when the quality is 8, which is the highest quality, which is the one which is the most responsible for quality of 8. And let's see for 7. And you can see that it is giving us the various visuals which are the most responsible for that. And let's just do a 6. And you can see so what we can do, and on the right it shows us so for volatile acidity, what are the various values and how they impact. So quality is more likely to be 6 when volatile acidity is 0.4545. And then we can select citric acid and it will show. And what we can do is here we can say show only values that are influencers, and it will show us what values of citric acid actually impact it. So and then you can look at the top segment. So I click on the top segments and it shows me the various segments that this can be divided into. And then I can further click on the segment and it will show me some additional information about that segment. So and then it says learn more, and it will generate more insights about this particular segment. And you can view that. So let me just go back to the key influencer and let's say I again select 7. And it will show me which other columns have the highest impact. And on those columns, for example, I can have only the most important values displayed. And on the right, I can see the top segment. Now, one thing to be aware is that once you publish this, all of this data becomes available to whoever is analyzing it. and they can play with it. So let's say you don't want the segments to be available. You can change the analysis type by going to the formatting tab. So you can disable that, so it is not showing the segments. And similarly, I can disable the key influencers depending on what I want to show and how I want my analysis to proceed. So this is a quick look at the key influencer visual, and I'm quite excited to have a look at it. I hope this is enough to get you started, and if you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do like this video. Please leave some review comments, and I'm happy to take this up and take further examples. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.